There are many different kinds of Manhattans. There's a perfect Manhattan, dry Manhattan, sweet Manhattan, and the differences in the kinds of Manhattans all comes down to the type of vermouth that is used, okay? Stir, the colder the glass will get, and the way you know when it's done is just by taste, right? So, little history on this drink. This drink was created in 1949 by Belgian bartender Gustav Tops. I'm gonna put this glass front and center so you can see me pour this in, okay? And there we go. Nice green flavored cocktail. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Boom. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your tequila sunrise.